Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Vardhan Sahu and her father Naveen Kumar Sahu, the CEO and co-founder of SIMT India, on the occasion to introduce the brand new education wing, SIAS, the Shubhvardan Institute of Artistic Science. A big round of applause.
Hello, Namaste. Hope you are managing your everything in this corona time. Well, teachers are the one of the only human in this world whose job is to give life to a life. They start with a nothing and turn human into something. In my mother tongue, teacher means guru, G-U-R-U. G-U-Gu stand for darkness of ignorance. R-U-Ru means bring them into brightness. There is not a ballroom big enough on this planet that could honor the teacher that have changed the world. मैं आपको बता सकता हूं कि इस धरती पे बिना गुरु के ज्ञान नहीं, लेकिन गुरु का सम्मान नहीं करते हैं लोग। खास करके भारत में लोग शिक्षा तो चाहते हैं, लेकिन शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता को शिक्षक के माध्यम से लेके आना है, उस पे वो कभी खर्च नहीं करते हैं, गुरु का मान नहीं करते हैं। दोस्तों, जैसा कि मैंने पहले कहा कि संसार में कोई ऐसा मंच नहीं है जो शिक्षा और शिक्षक को सम्मानित कर सकता है, उसके इक्विवेलेंट उसको सम्मानित कर सकता है, उसकी क्षमता के इक्विवेलेंट उसको सम्मानित कर सकता है। दोस्तों, ये बहुत दर्द है, ये बहुत बड़ा बात है। आइए एक छोटा सा प्रयास करते हैं शिक्षकों को सम्मान देने की ओर। Now this time is to handing over this session to our chief speaker of SIMT, the most prestigious, most prominent, most effective, most courageous, most pretty, most wonderful, the youth icon, ambitious, down to earth, my daughter, my sweetheart, Vardhan Sahu. So kindly big round of applause for her. Vardhan, come on stage.
Thank you so much, Dad. You're the most wonderful dad on this earth, and I have no words to express your greatness. You're so wonderful, Dad, and thank you once again for making this possible, making this day possible, where I'm able to speak and to address such a wonderful community of members who have a belief to be a brand in their life and taking ahead this society towards greatness with the belief of that what goes around, that comes around. That's right. I think that the concept of everybody being entitled to education is becoming more and more clearer to this world day by day. And all thanks to the organizations like SIAS, the Working Foundation, we are beginning to realize that this is something very tangible and that can happen. But we all have witnessed the technological revolution that has been taking place with a light speed. And I believe that we have to create right now an educational revolution. Before, the education, what it meant was to collect data and information, what that was already existed, and now that is done by the machines for us. So what we need to do is, we have to go to the next frontier. We have to have leaders that can stretch these young brains and can harvest them so that they can come up with a new way of thinking of new solutions to the problems that we are unable to solve for many, many generations. Because the reality is that we use only 3 to 10% of our whole brain. Now this is the time to discover our true potential as a human being and use our whole brain and find out the greatest potential in our brains. And these young brains in them, we have a key to a future with the hope in these new thinkers that are not only interested in learning that others have already know, but also are curious enough to ask questions that nobody have ever asked, and that have the courage to do new things in a different way. And it is our honor to present most potent, very special message in front of you which you are waiting for. Welcome, 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 welcome to To Sias, the Shubhvardan Institute of Artistic Science. Here you learn to create your own big brand with the super magnetic current hybrid cloud funnel formula and can spread your franchise across the whole world. With your own recognition, your own identification within a very few span of time. For this, we just need your focus and your attention, and you should be an action taker to achieve the results. Now once again, I congratulate you and welcome you into the most potent training in this whole world when it comes to build a big brand on a cloud. Now how can I say this so confidently is because I have invested a lot of dollars into these kind of programs, and I have been there for 3 to 4 years grinding myself into this space. I have studied people like Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins, Brian Tracy, and also in our holy book like Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, all the biggest and the big influencers, you name all the biggest and the big influencers, I have studied them and I have looked at the pattern of what has really made them so successful. And I went into grinding myself for years and years, and this particular master class, this particular special master class which you are just stepping inside is going to be the essence of all of that. In this masterclass, you're going to learn that how you can build your big brand within just 90 days of focus. Now let me tell you, 60% of the people register for the webinar but they do not come up on time. Why? Is because they are not accountable and they are not setting their alarm system, they are not marking their calendar for the given time. Now I hope that you are not from those 60%. And I hope that you will be accountable on your own and set your alarm system and mark the assigned date on Google Calendar. Although the initial follow-up would be given from our team, from our side. But still, you need to be accountable on your own if you don't want to miss this opportunity. So register for the free special masterclass by clicking on the button given below. And I would suggest that if you like gifts and bonuses, then watch the video just below this video. You will get a lot of gifts and bonuses and you will get to know more about this business model. With the gifts and bonuses, there is one more good news for you. You can follow us on our all the social media platforms with the given link just below this video. And you can also join our WhatsApp group where we provide a lot of value on a regular basis to all our members in our WhatsApp group. So you can click on the link just below this video and join our WhatsApp group where we nurture you on a regular basis and we do not ever let any information miss out from our side. After joining all the links, you can go and watch the second video of this page where I'm going to tell you about the 3-day challenge and you will get to know more about this business. So all the best. This is Vardhan Sahu signing out until we meet again.